Okay, here's your little carrots. Chomp down. What's the matter? Eat your carrots. What's with the nose? Who knows what the nose knows? Come on, guys. Eat your carrots. This is the little girl. She's quite aggressive. She's friendly. Eat your carrot, lovey. She says, no, I'd much rather jump out. Don't jump. Don't jump, don't jump. We'll save you. Don't jump. Eat a carrot. Don't jump.